Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I found this really cool hack or tip where you can change any nail polish that you own or have or that you buy, and you can change that regular nail polish into a gel polish. So I do have like this system where I do gel nails at home and it just looks nicer, and I really like it a lot because it stays on. Like right now I have this, so if you guys could see, this is the nail polish or gel polish that I have on for this month of December. It's just really glittery, really fun. And now that I found a way to change all of my nail polishes that I own, because it's a lot, I will show you guys, into a gel polish, I feel like I can complete like any look and any way that I want to do my nails. So this is what I found. I will show you guys a demo, but this is the little box right here. It's by this brand, and I found this at Target, and it pretty much says it on the box. Polish to gel right there. And these are the instructions on the back. As you guys could see, it shows you two methods. I will be showing you one of the methods, but these are the two methods that you could do. So I feel like the one I did works a lot better, but you do need a gel light. This is how the bottle looks like, and I will be showing you guys how I change all my nail polishes into gel. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get started. So I will be taking the Sensational Polish to Gel, and I will also be using a sparkly silver gel polish that I have. And for my nail polish, I will be using this one by Sinful Colors. It's so pretty. I love like the sheen that it has. It's called Cocoa Bay, and it's a nude but with like a little twist because of the iridescent color. And now I will be using my Sensational Pro 3060 LED lamp. As you can see, I use this all the time. It's all like messy. So I already have one coat on my nails. As you guys could see, that is just one layer. So now I will be showing you guys with the second coat. So I'm going to just take this polish to gel, and I'm just gonna put like a little blob or dots of the formula in there. So just applying the clear gel on each of my nails, and it doesn't have to be perfect whatsoever. I'm just using this to apply. And now I'm gonna take my nail polish and I'm going to put a little bit on top to do an equal amount, so it's a 50-50 ratio, so that way it's enough gel polish and enough of the nail polish color as well, so that it cures under the LED lamp and it's not like chunky or anything. So I'm just taking my time and applying the nail polish to each of the nails that I applied the polish to gel. So I'm just making sure it's even and then putting it inside of the LED lamp for about 30 seconds. So I will be doing a third coat just to make it nice and opaque. So as you guys could see, I'm just fast forwarding this part because I already showed you and explained, but this is how it looks. I'm just doing the same steps. Now I'm going to take my silver gel polish and put it on top of the 3 coats that I did, and this is just honestly gonna add sparkle, which is what I love. So I will just be doing that right on top, and then cure for 30 seconds as well. Lastly, I will be taking again my Sensational Polish to Gel, and I will be adding a clear top coat to seal everything. Now that I am done, I will be taking some alcohol and using that on each of my nails like this to kind of just finish off this manicure. I'm also going to take this Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream, and I really like this. I love the smell, and I'm just going to apply this on around my cuticles just to help them and hydrate them. And this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoy and try this out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.